Are your investment strategies keeping pace with the rapid advances in data-driven finance? If not, you're leaving returns on the table. You're all sitting on gold mines of data, but without the right tools or strategies, that data can feel overwhelming. It's a common challenge, knowing what you want to achieve, but not having the resources to make it happen. With my deep expertise in both finance and technology, I can turn your overwhelming data into a competitive advantage. I help portfolio managers and advisors develop and implement investment strategies that capture market signals, reduce risk, and improve returns. The benefits of my approach are clear. Actionable insights from complex data, improved decision-making, and a portfolio that's built to thrive. You'll save time, reduce uncertainty, and position yourself for long-term success in an ever-changing market. With over 20 years of experience in quantitative finance and machine learning, I've helped firms across the globe improve their investment strategies. My work has consistently delivered measurable results, and I'm proud to have been trusted by leading advisors and portfolio managers. Take control of your investment outcomes. Contact me now to explore how we can drive better results together.